Out here loading some slugs today. I've got my powder charge. I'm using the Lee powder measure. So I'm loading 31 grains of Hodgdon long shot. I'm using the ballistics products BRP 12. Using these federal recertified 2 3/4 12 gauge holes. I've already weighed my powder charge. Already put my pedestal wad in there. I'm using the BRP 12 pedestal wad. Using this Sabot. It's coming out of my Mossberg 695 rifle 12 gauge. So that'll go in here. I got 25 of these loaded up, ready to go. It's hard to show you with one hand, but these will go in here. Sit in there perfectly just like that. I'm using 31 grains of long shot. Alright, so now we've got our holes ready to roll crimp. Roll crimper is almost a temp. It should just be warm. What I've got going on here is it goes in my clamp like so. Basically come down. I've already got this thing set to what the height should be, and it rolls in the end. As you can see, there's uncrimped, crimped. It basically puts a nice roll crimp on it. Easy as that. Alright, so here they are, finished product. Beautiful 12 gauge Sabot slug. Perfect for deer season. So the question I get a lot is it worth it to reload? Is it worth it to, make your own shot shells, your own rifle rounds, your own, all this reloading stuff that I've got? Is it worth it? Usually what I can usually tell people is you're gonna save, you're not really saving money, you're loading more for the same amount of money. So to buy this box of 12 gauge Sabots from Federal, which is actually the same projectile that I'm loading here, I was able to pick up some of these. They're reconditioned is what it's called. So they basically pulled the Sabot from the hull and then sold them as reconditioned components. So you can see they've been loaded once. They're kind of dirty. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up or not, but it's perfectly fine Sabots. To buy 5 of these, this box of 5 costs $12 plus tax. So you're looking at just over $2 a piece, and perfectly fine Sabot, nothing wrong with that. That's just what you're gonna spend, if you're buying. And this is the Federal stuff. These are the more cost-effective Sabot. So that costs about $13 a piece. To load it, and this is using all new components. That means I'm not using any once fired hulls. So I bought the hulls, so those cost me about 24 cents a piece to buy new, and I'm perfectly fine to shoot new because I'm pushing these Sabots at about 1400 feet per second. So I'm perfectly fine buying a new hull. If you wanted to save that cost, you could of course reload once fireds, which is fine, but 24 cents for those, just for the hull, so you could save that cost. But the complete round right here, loaded and everything, using all new components, and this is already primed, so I didn't have to buy primers. That's another huge savings there. But cost me 96 cents. So it costs 96 cents to load one. It costs just over $2 to buy them. So I plan to shoot a lot. I enjoy shooting the shotgun slug. I have plenty of rifle rounds that I enjoy shooting as well. It's just something different, something that I enjoy loading as well. So that's it. That's how you load a shotgun slug. Thanks for watching.